Okay, so now I can subscribe, then also comment down below, and then hit the bell button, then press all. Then also link in the description, then buy my merch, but not now. So today we're going to do it in private window. So we are going to do just right now, guys, how to make your own private app, like a diary. So I'll show you how to make one. First, all you need is to inspect. All you need is to edit it as HTML. So we put title, incognito. It's game time videos. So I just made that app. I just accidentally made it up. So first you have to do is to make up your own link. Let's say incognito point it's game time videos.com/home. You can put a website type. Now let's put videos. C 1, there's 2, and there's 1, there's 3. Okay, so this is good. So if you even do something, well, first you gotta do is to make your own diary, and more of these guys. Yeah. So I'm going to do is to search for youtube.com. Guess what? I'll make a span command first. You can make anything, whatever you want, guys. I'll just do the whole thing, guys. I'm sorry. So search for span. Popular familiar, let me see. Searches and also links. Yep. So we know it's to X out. Guess what? How to make your own diary, guys. Diary. Diary? Yeah. Diary. And computer, or just any device, whatever you want. Now we got to do is to do the whole thing, guys. The whole thing. Yep, that is right, guys. Okay. How do I do this? Okay. I got it now. Okay. Got to get our own hotbar for no reason, and I don't know how to do this. Okay, that's good. Let's go and copy. Okay, come on, let's try that again. Copy element. Now we could say sign in because this is in private. You won't even see your profile and more. You won't even see your profile. All you have to do is to just sign in. And then you'll say great. That means I can't do this anymore. Well, maybe not. What is this? First? Okay, I don't want this. I still don't want that. Son, what? Okay. Okay, let me see. Come on, come on. Good. Now we copy element. Now all you have to do is to make the whole thing, guys. Just make the whole thing. That's it. We can make our diary. Wow, that's super long. Let's go and test that. 3, 2, 1. Don't make it big. What? And the toast? What in the toast? What is this thing? Oh no. Oh no. I made it longer. Oh no. Oh no. What have I done? Oh no. This would even take me forever, guys. This will take me forever. This would. How do I do this thing? Okay, what if I delete it? What if? Fine. I did. Let's just scroll down. Well, what is opened? Well, what's its visit site? Why? What? This would even take me forever. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Delete. No. You gotta be kidding. No. I keep pressing this. Last one. There you go. Let's delete it. Delete element, and that is a lot, guys. You won't. What in the twist? What in the twist? Oh no. Oh no. No. Okay, that's a lot already, guys. That's just a lot. Wow. That is so big. Oh, yo. We won't make it longer this time, guys. We won't make this longer. Yeah, of course. Why they change the thumbnail? Okay. Let me see. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete that. What? And what? Okay, this would even take me forever, guys. This would even. It's just still make out 10 spots. Okay. Okay, this would even take me forever, guys. So I'm going to. What? This would even take me forever, guys. How many? This one. I won't even stand for this, okay? I won't even stand for this anymore. Okay. Okay. What else? I can still sign in, of course. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. Okay, let's go change the search into It's Game Time VIP. That's our channel. We search for It's Game Time VIP. That's important. There we go. Sorry, that's my video. Okay, so I'm going to do is to just inspect, guys. I'm just going to inspect. I know I'm going to be continued this, but I'm super afraid I won't. I won't do this anymore. I just won't. Please not. Okay, let's just only change the title. If you even want to, guys, it doesn't even matter. I'm just going to replace it. Internet or stuff? What? Okay, I just replaced it. Now, let's go search for readwords.com to make your own diary. For this, I know this would even take a sign-in for this, so it doesn't even matter. Let's press sign up. Parent sign up. Come on, bruh. Okay, it's stuff for educator. Okay, you won't even see my password. You won't. You won't. You won't. You won't. Bruh, you got me kidding me. Okay. Okay, let's just only skip this. Readwords.org/ I don't know. Still don't know. Let's go search for text bots. Let's go search that. Alright, bots. Yes, let's go. Okay, I get it now. I get it now. First need to do is to copy element. Now, first I am going to do just right now, guys, is to HTML, edit as HTML, that's more important. Okay, all we got to do is just scroll down. It would even take you forever, guys. You could still scroll down. That's it. Bruh, haven't you know? Now, here goes our text spots. Where is it? Okay, that's our text spots. Yes, finally, yes. But we'll save. We're safe. Okay, have to do the whole thing. Good. Bam. Boom. There you go, guys. Okay, I can still scroll down, guys. It's super obvious. Okay, let's just go down. Okay, let's just make the diary already. Okay, guys. Wait, hold up. Huh? You what? How does? Bruh. Oh, I forgot. I still forgot. I'm so not smart. Okay, IMG label. Oh no. Let's go make a spam. Okay, I get it now, okay. I just get it. Yay, this is super easy. Wow, super easy peasy. Super easy, yay. What just happened? What? What the? What? Hold up, you what? Oh, I should got the last one, guys. Wait, hold up, you what? If I just scroll up. Bruh. It's just here. But, bruh. But how do you even... Hold on. command pull down. Oh, forgot the last one command, guys. Okay, last one command will be our diary. Okay, it's just scroll down just like that. So good. So far, so good. Search for /HTML. Bruh, you got it? Bruh, I never noticed that. Wait, hold up, what? Bruh, yeah! What? What is that twist? I'll do that for the next video, okay, guys? Okay? Okay? Oh, shoot. Bruh. Let's go ahead and delete that one. Okay, all we have to do is just scroll down. We're almost there, guys. So we search for Dear Diary. That's it for today. Bye.